Hi everybody, I want to unbox with you and review for you this new style from Sentoo from their creative collection called Valentine. And I have it in the color dark maple blonde, and here you get an idea of what this style is like. I absolutely love it that Sentoo puts these pictures up. It's just something I like, a little thing that I really enjoy seeing. So let's unbox it. I haven't peeked, I haven't looked. It's a color I haven't tried. So we will see together what this one is like. So medium length, slight wave in it. And here you get a first idea of this style. I think these kind of styles are very popular because they're so easy to wear for every day. And you have an extended lace front, so it runs into the ear tabs. So you have polyurethane on here, so that grips to your skin really nicely, makes it really secure. And you can also put some adhesives on here if you wanted to. And then you have what looks like a double mono top here. So you have an extra layer, and then you have some of this polyurethane or silicone on here as well. So when you have no hair, again, it will grip to your skin really well, and it just feels so secure. I have reviewed two other ones from the creative collection, so you can find them on my channel as well, which is a lovely long one called Isabel, and Ophelia, which is a straight bob. And oh, these might be sister styles that you could, or not sister styles, but styles that you could use together. One day you have that straight cut, and then the next day you have the waves. Well, we will see. Anyway, so monotop, so that means you can part it wherever you like. Covered wefts, and it feels really soft around the back and the sides. You have an extended nape with that, I think this is silicone here. Again, it grips to the neck so well, and it just feels really secure on, and Velcro adjusters. And normally you don't have much stretch in these close wefted caps. So there's a little bit of stretch in the circumference, but not in the cap itself. I'm already liking this color a lot. Certainly a warmer color. So let's pop it on. Gorgeous. Right, let me not play with it. Let me show it to you straight out of the box. You have these slight waves here at the bottom, and they really only start here, so halfway down. And then you have a fringe. So you could wear it across. For me, I might have to trim it a little bit if I wanted a full fringe, or I just put it to the side. That's adorable. Right, let's look at the lace front. Oh, that is beautifully done. Slight knotting, but nothing too bad here at all. Transition into the ear tabs. So the ear tabs start here. So you can't, I don't think you can't really see that transition. Ear tabs on me finish here. So there is room around my ears, so the cap is not sitting on my ears. So let's look at the parts. So as you've seen, it's a mono top, so you can part it wherever you like. And that parting looks great. You can see right through. You can have it to the side. You can have it to the other side. And then it would look something like this. And then you can have it in the middle where it was parted, like so. I've noticed, I don't know if you have, let me know in the comments, that normally you prefer a certain side where you want your part. So for me, it's slightly off center to the right, but sometimes some styles just look better with the part in a different place. So I think for this one on me, I think the middle part looks better. And just let me know if you experience that, or if you are like, no, I like my part where I like it and it always looks great. I just show you now that I combed it through and changed the part slightly. Oh, got rid of the zigzag parting. Right, let's talk about density straight away whilst I'm here. So there is no permatease that I can feel. The covered wefts might have a little bit of, it feels a little bit like tease there, but it's definitely nothing big and poofy. You don't have any big poofy permatease here at all. The hair density in itself, I think there is a little bit of hair here. I wouldn't say this is low density at all. I would say this is the higher end of low or lower end of medium. So if I show you the ponytail, there is, you know, quite a sizable amount of fiber here. Very natural density, but it's not the lowest density. But so let's talk about the fit. I have a 21.75 inch circumference head with the hair growth I have. Straight out of the box, the adjusters are on the furthest possible setting and it fits really nice and snug. There is very little gapping here at the back for me. There is not much I can actually widen the adjusters at all. So if you have a 22 inch, I think it just might fit you. But you know, you might be better off checking this with Aderans Trendco to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. If you have a smaller circumference than mine, there's lots of room to tighten it, and there is little gapping for me at the moment, so you might have just slightly more gapping at the back here. But I think I would class this as a petite average sized cap. This color, I love it. I haven't seen this before. I haven't tried this one before. I don't know if it's a new color from Sentoo, but it's lush. I really like it. I do think it pulls warm. I do think it's a warm blonde maybe. And just stick around for outside footage later on in the video so you can see this beautiful color in the natural outdoor light as well. So let's talk about the fibers. These are heat-friendly fibers and they feel absolutely lovely. They are soft, but not overly soft. Not like they are coated in stuff. They feel really nice. They are fine and they move really naturally. Look at this. Look how natural they move. There is no artificial shine either on here. I mean, you normally don't get that with heat-friendly fibers as much, but sometimes you can have it. And I don't think here you see any artificial shine. So styling, heat-friendly fibers, so you can change the wave pattern if you wanted to. You can put curls in, you can straighten it out. Have it more looking like so. And then obviously you have that fringe, so you can work with that fringe. Either cut in a full fringe or have it parted in the middle like so, or over to the side. Don't forget you have a mono top, so you can part it wherever you like in this section here. So you can have a fairly deep side part as well. So completely up to you. Let's have a look if you can have a low pony. Yeah, you can. Small one, but it's possible. I always like that option because especially when it gets to the warmer months, sometimes you just want the hair off your neck. It makes such a difference. And you can do that with this one. Let's have a look at half up, half down. Look how cute this looks. So it's definitely possible. Can do two like little ponies. Have a look. Like so. You can wear it with a headband, just sticking it in. Really adorable look. Or pull back the fringe Just such a nice option when you just want the hair out of your face, because you have that really lovely lace front. And look how this is sparse here. I think it makes it look natural, personally. I think anything that's not too perfect makes a wig look more natural. That's my personal view. Let me know if you feel that way. Comment down below. Let me know your opinion. We all like to wear our wigs very differently. So it's always interesting to know what people think, what they like in their wigs. Like, especially for the summer when, you know, you have festival season or beach season or whatever. Just have a headband over the top like so. I like the bohemian look on this one. It's cute. So I really hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you to Aderans Trendco for providing me with this piece on loan so I can review it for you. I put the link to this piece down below in the description box. Don't forget to use my code K20 for an amazing 20% off, and Aderans does ship worldwide. So if you want to get your hands on one of the Sentoo collection pieces, maybe even this one, it's not available outside of Europe. So if you are somewhere else in the world, Aderans does ship worldwide, so you can get your hands on these pieces. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I hope I see you very soon. Bye.